The reason we chose Seller's Advantage, and I'm so glad we did, we weren't going to have to do all the fixing everything up ourselves because there were a lot of things after 23 years in the house that needed to be repaired. And we wouldn't have to go through people coming in and out of the house looking at it. We had dogs there, they go nuts over that. Two older people, we don't know how to do all this stuff. We'd had several plumbing slab leaks, and so we needed really to have complete repiping done, plumbing repiping. We also needed a new heater and air conditioner. Those had not been working for about a year. The kitchen and two of the bathrooms needed complete remodeling. Just couldn't see spending the money on that and then, turning around and selling it. Doing a little research on Better Business Bureau and listening to the ads and everything, I thought this sounds exactly like what we need. The Seller's Advantage team from the beginning to the end has been fantastic. It was like a family, family looking out for us. So nice, so patient, always got back to me right away with an answer that made me understand what was going on. They let us pick the dates that we wanted to close escrow. I think we got out like 3 or 4 days early, and they arranged all that, and we ended up getting the escrow funding, like the next day, and it was fantastic. The price they gave us was perfect too. This is the money you're gonna get after you pay your mortgage and whatever. And if you need an advance for like moving expenses or whatever, they can take care of that, which they did. And so that was, how we had the money to move into our new apartment. If somebody's on the fence out there and they're looking to sell their home and it needs repairs, call Seller's Advantage. Have them come out, look at your house, give you an estimate, decide if that is appropriate for you, if if that sounds good. And they're not, you've got to take this, or you don't have to can't do this. They're very customer oriented. You're not under any pressure. We signed up right away. The minute, he told us how much it was going to be, we're like, okay. But he said, you can think about it, take your time. So if you're somebody that wants to think about it, that, there's no pressure whatsoever. There's no way we could have done this without them. No way.